Hey, hey, we're here in the Bay Bay. Today, we're in the Bay Bay. Okay, here it goes. I think I found the way to the pier, dude. This is it. This is it. See? Yep, this is the way to the pier. Pier 1 should be up there. Alright. We got bars here, tourists. I'm trying to. Yeah, that's the Bay Bridge right there. See the Bay Bridge. Hey, Bay Bridge.
Sinbad is the other side, right here.
No, Sinbad's on the left. Those are all docks. But yeah, Sinbad's on the left somewhere. Yeah, it's on the left. So, if you guys are interested in going to Sinbad, I shall show you the way. It's my little secret spot I used to go to when I was a kid. Good fishing. If you want to fish for shark, use squid. Squid hits the sharks. Sharks hit squid so hard. Oh my god, it's incredibly crazy. Okay, here we go. Here's the bay. Okay, now I just gotta find out where Sinbad is. It should be up there somewhere. Oh, how romantic. A carousel. What's that called? Carousel? See, there's the Red's Java House. Man, they make some pretty good damn burgers in there. We used to go eat there all the time. Eat some burgers at the Red Java House. And we got the hi guy. Hi doggy. There we go. See? Yep, that's it. The Bay Bridge. And plus in that Godzilla movie, they didn't show him destroying the Bay Bridge or nothing, you know what I mean? I guess they didn't pay that part, you know? Oh shit. Too many people. Move outhouse. Outhouse boy. It's the outhouse boys. See, right here's the piers. Bunch of piers, docks, and stuff like that. Most of these places are haunted. Yeah, really ghostly places here. See, here's part of the fire. Hey, look, Mozilla Firefox is here too. Ah, look at that, Mozilla Firefox. Hey, Firefox, you suck. Mozilla Firefox. Man, I keep getting viruses on my computer. Maybe I talk too much trash. But then again, I'm Joe. CrabZilla. Oh look, there's another pier here. There's another pier here. Wow, people are actually fishing in this pier too. This is a new pier. Wow, what the heck? Yep, they are fishing. What the heck? That's pretty nice pier. There's Sinbad's right there. It's coming up, baby. Sinbad's. Pier. Oh, it's considered Pier 2 now. It's not Pier 1. Wow, Sinbad's Pier 2. It used to be Pier 1. Oh, maybe it's because they made that other pier back there and then they said, oh, yeah, oh, we screwed up. Let's make this a Pier 2 now. Well, look at all this traffic. 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 No. That's right, traffic. You see that big clock? You see that big clock right there? That's the spot to fish. Sinbad. Pier 2. Said Pier 1. Hurry, run! Godzilla! Alright, buddy. Oh, all my bait and stuff is falling. Okay, let me see if I can get in this place. Alright, we are inside Sinbad's.